these doors ready and have the inserts painted while I'm at it, but these people, I'm just trying to get these rooms done first. And it's only my second day here today, so I should have the 3 rooms nearly finished. We're not glossing the skirtings in this house because the skirtings are in pretty bad condition, tiny little things. So we're just going to do them in wall paint. Trying to do so many things at once. Just finished caulking. Got my apron on. Take that off because it's getting in my way. Spraying as well. And I'm filming. So I've got a bit of everything happening. So really all I did was use the spray gun as a paintbrush to cut in with. So I don't have to use a brush. If you're just new with spray guns, it's not a bad way to learn. It teaches you some control. Doesn't matter whether you've got fat edges, because I'm going to roll that while it's still wet. Very rainy, cloudy outside. I only have a few days to do this house. I've only got a few days spare before I start a new house out of town. So let's have a look at what I've just finished. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful now? All the gloss work's finished. Ceilings are all finished. Walls are all finished. This is the kitchen. What I've got to do in here, this has probably got a bit of fat on it, so I'll do an oil-based undercoat over this little alcove here. All the rest is done. As you can see here, it's not real flash. Needs a wash. Feels a little sticky, so oil-based undercoat will be good on that. Got some patch here to do. So we're just gapping all this up. Don't know how many tubes I used, but I used a bloody lot of tubes. Little pantry in here. So we're not painting inside the pantry, that's classed as inside the cupboard. But we always do to this frame here. So we do that one, and we do the inside door as well because it opens outwards. But if we were to paint this, this would have to be oil-based undercoat because it's too hard to sand. And yeah, I don't think it's very, very shiny. I don't think the acrylic undercoat would stick to that. And I've also finished this room here today. And all these windows are being replaced. That's her. I've got to do, this room here is finished as well. Now my next job is this room here and the bedroom. There's one bedroom left. So I've got this wall here. So there's lots of little things that get fixed as I do it. You can see up there's a whole big plaster patch there. Big corner one. I'll have to cut all that back and tape it. I've got to gap all these ceilings here. I've done a little bit of it. I've done from here to there. But that's it. This one out here is finished as well. Yeah, so I've got this room to do. This is my storage room. It's where my gear is. Not a lot of room. So I put black plastic down, tape it all up. That's it. That's a finished one. So you can see that's a lot of gear for a couple of days work. A lot of gear. We're using the Sterigard, the professional Gillette Sterigard on the trim, and we're using the Pure Performance on the walls. So yeah, and we've got this room here to do as well. So there's just 2 rooms left. This room here, this one's got a bay window set up in here. So it'll have to be done. Windows don't get done. Lots of gapping, as you can see. The biggest job is the gapping in here, or in them all actually. I've already undercoated these doors. So basically I'll spray the inserts in there in the wall colour and then do the gloss work. We're using the 211, little 211, just a cheap Chinese one, and the cheap Chinese tips are very small. So basically I'm just using it as a brush. This is all being gapped, sanded, filled, plastered, all of the above. Keep hearing the fan in the next room. I'm going to get my head chopped off. So our skirting is just wall colour, wall paint. We put 3 coats of paint on the skirting. You get underneath and on top. A bit of putty in that hole. Keeps moving, so okay, spray this little cupboard out. Like I said, we're just using it as a brush. And you're going to say, why didn't I spray all that? You don't know why yet? Keep watching. Okay, let me just put a bit of paint on there and see where that'll stick. Just call that a little test, because maybe we can paint this up in here. That's an air conditioning duct right in the kitchen here. Not a very good spot for one, but anyhow, it's here behind the fridge, so. So we're going to start painting that room there. So what we need is this. I'm just going to try and keep these windows a little bit clean. Yep, I need my drill. Biggest fear is a drum of paint going over on the floor. Finished product. Looks good. All finished.